Hi loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn how to make this popcorn stitch. It is also called bubble stitch. It is a very beautiful stitch. So let's go straight to the video. I'm going to be using 4.0 mm hook and a double strand of yay regular yarn. I know it's not necessary for this video, but in case you just want to know, okay? So I'm gonna make a slip knot, then I'm gonna chain up 10. So the first thing you must know about this stitch is that your foundation, which is the chains, must be an even number. Okay, so after the 10 chains, I'm gonna go skip the first chain and go to the second and make a single crochet and a single crochet and continue with the single crochet all the way down the row. So here I am at the end of the row. This is what it looks like. For row 2, you're going to chain 1 and turn your work, go into the first stitch and make a single crochet. Then in the second stitch you're going to make 4 double crochets, but you are going to leave the last loop on the hook, okay, just like this, as you can see. So you have a total of 5 loops, then you wrap around and pull through all. Okay, now you go into the next space and or stitch and make a single crochet. Then in the fourth stitch you're gonna repeat the 4 double crochet stuff that we did, just like this is the third one and this is the fourth one. So you wrap around and pull through all. So this is just how we are going to be doing it. It's not difficult. So if you want your bubble or your pop to be bigger, you could use a bigger hook, or you could make more of the double crochet. You could make 5 or 6 or 7 of each instead of 4. If you want it to be smaller, you can make 2 or 3. So it just depends as you want. You do it until you get the desired size you want. Okay, so this is just an illustration. So and now we are the last one. So I'm just gonna finish this up. Then the last stitch, you must, after the bubble, you must have one stitch left where you place your one single crochet. So you must end with one single crochet. So this is what we have. The 10 chains gave us 4 bubbles. So for the third row, it is just a repetition of the first and second row respectively. Okay, so you're gonna chain 1, turn your work and make single crochet in all of the spaces that you have. So you're gonna have 9 single crochet just like you have for the first row. Okay, it's just the repetition, just like I mentioned. So this is one of the simplest stitches ever. Okay, you only just be repeating it unless you want to make increases and decreases. Okay, that is where you have a different thing. So just in case you want to know how to continue, this is how you continue repeating it, just like I've told you guys. So make the first stitch is going to be a single crochet, and the second one you repeat everything that you've been doing via the um 4 double crochet stuff and the single crochet. Okay, so that is just it. Very simple, just like I mentioned before. So there's something I want to note before I go. You must end up with single crochet row. Okay, it will help make your work neat and it will help protect your work. So that is the reason why I'm doing it to this extent. So whenever you are doing this stitch, try and end up with the single crochet stitch row. Okay, so I'm done and this is what it looks like. Both the front and the back looks very beautiful, just like you can see. It is very beautiful, like I love it. Okay, so this is what the front looks like. Very beautiful. All right, thank you guys for watching. See you all next time. Bye.